Welcome back to CarQuest Pro, where we don't just talk about machines, we uncover the stories behind them. Today's story isn't about just any motorcycle. It's about a name that once ruled the streets, vanished without noise, and now, in 2026, is whispering its way back into the industry. The Honda Magna, a bike that carried muscle, attitude, and engineering pride in an era when cruisers actually meant power. And if the rumors and industry signals are true, what Honda is planning with the 2026 Magna could change the way we look at modern power cruisers forever. So stay with me, because the most surprising part of this bike isn't what you expect, and it comes later. When you imagine the 2026 Honda Magna, it doesn't appear flashy or desperate for attention. Instead, it feels confident, low, long, and planted, like a machine that knows exactly what it is. The design respects the original Magna's DNA, but sharpens it for the modern road. The fuel tank looks muscular without being bulky, sculpted to catch light as the bike moves. The seat sits low, giving the rider that relaxed but dominant posture, while the stretched wheelbase and wide rear tire give it that unmistakable power cruiser stance. Honda doesn't drown in chrome. Instead, it mixes matte finishes, brushed metal, and subtle gloss to create something premium yet aggressive. Even when parked, the Magna looks like it's ready to launch. The soul of the Magna has always been its engine, and Honda knows that better than anyone. That's why most insiders believe the 2026 Magna will stay loyal to a V4 layout, modernized for today's standards. Expected to be somewhere between 1,000 and 1,100 cubic centimeters, this engine isn't built to chase high RPM drama. It's built for smooth delivery, instant response, and a deep mechanical character that you feel through the bars and seat. Honda's engineering means reduced vibration, better heat management, and a sound that feels raw yet refined. Twist the throttle, and the bike doesn't scream. It surges full with authority. On paper, the expected horsepower sits around 95 to 110, but this bike isn't about numbers alone. What makes the Magna dangerous is how it delivers that power. The torque comes in early, strong, and consistent, making overtakes effortless and launches addictive. The 0 to 60 time is expected to fall into the low 3-second range, which is wild for a cruiser-shaped machine. Top speed will likely be electronically controlled, but everything points towards something close to 130 miles per hour, stable and smooth, not nervous or shaky. This is speed you can trust. Despite its old-school muscle attitude, the 2026 Magna is expected to carry a modern brain. Ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, traction control, ABS, and possibly cruise control make it practical for long rides. The display is rumored to be a clean digital-analog hybrid, giving you modern information without killing the classic vibe. LED lighting all around improves visibility, while keeping the design sharp. The suspension and brakes are tuned for confidence, not just comfort, making this a bike you can ride hard without second-guessing yourself. Now here's where Honda may surprise everyone. Pricing. Instead of pushing the Magna into luxury territory, Honda is expected to price it aggressively, somewhere between $11,000 and $13,000 depending on the market. If that happens, it doesn't just become a good option. It becomes a serious problem for competitors charging thousands more for similar performance. This isn't about exclusivity. This is about dominance. Riding the Magna won't feel like riding a trend. It'll feel like riding a reminder. A reminder that power cruisers can still be fast, reliable, and exciting without becoming bloated or overpriced. This bike is for riders who want muscle without chaos, speed without sacrifice, and heritage without nostalgia traps. It's a machine built to be ridden, not just admired. And the most interesting part? Honda has been unusually quiet about this bike. No leaks, no loud teasers, no overhyped promises. And history tells us when Honda stays silent, something serious is coming. The 2026 Honda Magna might not just be a comeback. It might be Honda reminding the entire motorcycle world who set the standard in the first place. So stay connected with CarQuest Pro, because the moment official details drop, we'll break them down for you first. And trust me, this story isn't over yet.